Alright, this is my 2012 Dodge Ram Mega Cab Laramie Longhorn. I'll go ahead and give you a brief walk around. So she's rocking an 8-inch BDS lift. As you can see, it's got the triple shocks set up with the Fox 2.0 racing shocks. Rolling on some 22-inch fuel hostages, 22 by 9.5 on 37-inch by 13.5 Toyo MT open countries. You see she's got a custom wrap on her. Amp power steps. Automatic when the door opens. It's got the BDS traction bars on there. It's got a 55-gallon transfer flow fuel tank, and that thing's a monster. Runs the whole length of the truck, pretty much a few inches from the transfer all the way back just before the rear differential. Get about 800 miles in the city, about 1,000 miles on the highway with that fuel tank. It's got a full 5-inch Flow Pro stainless steel exhaust. Then it runs into a 6-inch powder coated black Flow Pro tip. As you can see, I got the Flow Pro on the wrap there. It's got front and rear iron cross base bumpers, powder coated in black. It's got super winch shackles on it. It's got a monster recovery hook from Monster Hooks. Thing's huge. It's great for tow straps, recovery straps. Underneath the backside, the spare tire's been relocated. It's now a full-size spare in the bed of the truck versus the factory spare that used to be in that mount right there. You can see the 5-inch stainless steel exhaust running down the length of the truck. And then you could see that monster 58-gallon fuel tank runs down there like a giant wall all the way down the length of the truck, all the way to right here before the differential. It's got the Fox 2.0 racing shocks in the rear. It's got Mag High-Tech rear, front and rear differential covers. Beautiful trick covers they got there. See the rear BDS lift. On the top here we got a backflip F1 folding tonneau cover. Kind of hard to see, but we'll get to it in a minute. I'll fold it up. The vehicle's got a 5% limo tint all the way around. You can see the wrap on this side. Got the H&S on the back. See that fuel tank in there again. Huge tank. It's got the Fox Toyo BDS suspension, amp research, BD diesel, fuel off-road, ARP racing products. Got the Xbox, industrial injection, royalty core, air dog, S&B, and Alligator Performance, which is who designed the wrap. Alright, once again up front you can see the triple shocks. It's basically the same BDS 8-inch setup, and then it has a double shock hoop additional. Coming around to the front, it's got OEM style black housing headlights. You can see the inside housing's black, same style as the factory ones, only instead of it being silver on the inside, it's black now. Inside it's got the Retro Solutions 55 watt 5000K headlights, and they're amazing. Got a custom one-off grill from Royalty Core. I drew the design, and Josh over there designed it into CAD in black, airbrushed it with a little dark blue. Really turned out tricks. Got real three-dimensional. It's satin and gloss black. You can see the three-dimensional pieces on the front. The model is actually the RC3DX. On the front here we got an Iron Cross base bumper. Super trick bumper, strong. Got a lot more clearance up here in the front for this to run a larger tire. I'm running a 37, but you can run up to a 38-inch tire, and I've actually seen BDS run the 40-inch tire with this setup. Inside the Iron Cross bumper, but you can see the Iron Cross right there, real trick. We got the cutouts on the bottom too. Got a super winch, Talon 12.5 winch on there, and some super winch shackles. Awesome winch, very strong. Up front here, got the Mag High-Tech cover, dual BDS steering stabilizers. And then just above them is the BD steering brace. It's that gray brace right there. Connects the two frame rails up front. And then what happens is the steering the steering gearbox runs through it, the arm on it, through a bearing or a bushing. It does a really good job of keeping that thing from twisting or tweaking at all when you're driving down the road, especially running such a large wheel and tire combination. See the BDS bump stops.